Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and good evening, friends. My name is Shoaib Khan. I'm your host. Welcome to my channel, AK Universe. Today, we are going to do the unboxing for the Tygot brand tripod. Here it is. This is the Tygot brand tripod. I'll be doing the unboxing of the product now. Let me quickly go ahead and start the unboxing. Alright, here's the packaging of the box, and within the package there's another cardboard box. As you can see, I'll keep this box aside. And here's another box, and it has the pictorial representation of the product over here, as you can see, and you can also find the features on the box. Here it is: 3-way pan head, 4-section leg, and the quick lever lock, as well as the rubber leg tip. These are the 4 features that is mentioned on the box, and the model is Tripod 3110. I purchased this product from Amazon and it cost me around 699 rupees only. So you can also go ahead and purchase the product from Amazon. I'll leave the link for the product in the description below. Let me quickly go ahead and open this box now and see what's within the box and how does the tripod look like. I'll keep the box aside. There's a black cover, as you can see. It's very well packed and it can be used to take it with you anywhere. I'm removing the tripod from this cover. Let me quickly keep this cover aside. Here it is, the tripod, along with the accessory, that is mobile accessory that is used for connecting the mobile or fixing the mobile in this accessory. I'll talk about this later, but for now let me quickly go ahead and explain you about this product. Here it is: 3 separate aluminum posts or pipes, and the central pipe which holds up the other 3 pipes. Since it is in a triangular shape and is very stable, that's the reason it's known as tripod, as it can be used for fixing cameras and DSLRs for the purpose of video recording. Or this is also used by professionals like journalists and news anchors, as well as photographers and YouTube creators and many other professionals. So let me quickly tell you about this product. As you can see, this product has a good flexibility from the central pipe, and it lets you open up like this so that you can place it firmly on any platform, or for example on my table. You can do the same and you can keep it on the floor or on the ground and it will be very stable. Here you have 3 locking system or 3 levers, and you can open this up to dismantle or to disassemble this, and to open this up from here. This is the rubber leg tip. If you pull this from the very bottom, you can get the extended pipe to the very extent of almost to the end of my table. So it's quite long, as you can see. It's quite long from here till here. The same would be done to check for the other pipes. These are all made of aluminium, and as you can see, I have just opened it up. Let me also lock it. There's a locking system. There are 3 locks which can be used, the levers. I'll do the same exactly as I did over here. I'm just locking it up now. So there's one more. I'm opening it up, and now I'll just pull it right to the bottom, and once again lock it. I'll place it on the table properly so that you can get a better view. I hope you can see this. as it is placed horizontally. You will be placing this vertically to do the video shoots, but this is just for demonstration, just to show you how to set up the tripod. If you want to disassemble this, all you have to do, this is how you would assemble it, but if you have to disassemble it, all you have to do is simply open this up once again, 3 levers or 3 locks that you would get, and place your finger on the very top of the rubber leg tip and just push it towards the down. Just push it towards down and it automatically comes down, and just lock it again. Similarly, as I did over here, the other 2 pipes you will do the same. You'll repeat the step. You'll unlock the tripod and just push it from the rubber leg tip and get back to its default position and just lock it once again. Unlock and then once again and simply lock it. By doing this, you are firmly locking it and making sure that it does not shake or wobble or come out without your knowledge. You would be very confident that by locking this up, it will be stable and firm. It will not come out all by itself. So once this is done, this is how you lock and unlock or extend the length of the pipe for the tripod to get a better view as per your convenience. And you also have another pole over here in the middle, which also help to extend further to get a better height from this position. Keep it back to the normal default position. And here you have a good grip of the hand and the lever, which can be moved almost 180 degrees, as you can see, on the 2 sides, 2 directional. And it's also 360 pan, 360. Just like a panoramic view, you can get a better view. Keep your DSLR phone, you can fix it over here. Just place this on the top of the screw and rotate it like this. Once you rotate it like this, you will get a proper picture of how it looks. Here it is. And if you have to place the smartphone, you just pull it towards the top and place the smartphone in between. And you can be able to use as it gets locked up and it's firmly fixed, so that you can take your video shoots using this tripod. It's of good quality, it has good functionality here, has a lot of features, and it's also something that can be quickly disassembled and can be taken with you anywhere as per your convenience for your work. And you can also use it for personal use. Mostly it's used by professionals. If you like my review of this product and unboxing, I would request you to please go ahead and click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please, your support and your encouragement helps us to do better videos in the future. I hope you like my video. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and if there's any feedback, leave it in the comment section. I will be looking forward to meet you once again with a good product, once again with a different category, and coming up with better videos. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Goodbye.